On today's video, you will watch our process of how we coated this basement floor using our epoxy floor kits. We will show you how we prepped the concrete, mixed and applied the epoxy and the top coat. This gave this basement a huge upgrade. Our epoxy floor kits come with a lifetime warranty. To get yours today, visit www.leggari.com. Now let's get started.
The next step in the process is putting down our decorative epoxy coat. We're going to be doing silver base, black highlights using our metallics. So biggest thing is once you get done mixing that batch, you want to dump that out on the floor. That's going to give you the maximum working time. And I like to spread out the perimeter, and then I'll show you how I do all the edges first, and then I just work into the middle. Makes it really simple and fast.
I'm Tim Crumlin, one of the founders of Leggari Products. We spent the last 3 years building an extensive online training for the coating industry. It's called Leggari Academy, and the best part, it's affordable. But trust me, affordable doesn't mean cheap. It took over 20,000 man hours and over $500,000 to create. There's absolutely not a better training anywhere for the coating industry. It doesn't exist. But it's not just the training. See, Leggari Products offers unparalleled support long after the training as you build your business. Here at our headquarters, we've kind of made it really clear to everyone, we're only successful if we can make you successful. So put us to the test. Join the Academy today and get a partner that actually cares about your success. Welcome to the Academy.